Brent, Sarah, the governor says this initiative is all about making sure health care is more available, accessible, and affordable for those here in Connecticut.
We want to make sure that nobody is discouraged from getting the checkup they need, the preventive care they need.
Monday morning, Governor Lamont announced $30 million of medical debt for nearly 23,000 residents has been erased.
Debt is an incredible lodestone in life. I know what it means to the state of Connecticut, the heavy debts that we have.
This is the first round of eliminations through the state's partnership with the national nonprofit Undo Medical Debt.
It is not magic. It is the market. Our healthcare system has unreasonable expectations on what people pay out of pocket based on their income.
Undo Medical Debt contracts with state and local governments and leverages public investments to negotiate with hospitals and other providers to buy those debts for pennies on the dollar. Patients with an income at or below 4 times the federal poverty level, or those who have medical debt 5% or more of their income, qualify for elimination. There is no application process, and debt relief cannot be requested.
People tend to have, some disbelief when they get these letters. I didn't do anything, how did I get this? But then when they realize it's real, they usually have tears of joy and happiness and a real sense of relief.
The Lamont administration invested $100,000 in federal ARPA dollars to acquire and cancel the $30 million in qualifying medical debt.
One of the things we're trying to do is break the stigma of medical debt, because it's really a failure of the systems and not of people. People want to pay their debts. They just don't have the means to do so.
Letters for this first round of erasures will be sent through the U.S. mail beginning December 23rd.
Medical debt is something that you don't necessarily have any control over. Medical debt is when you get hit hard by some sudden medical emergency. We're doing everything we can to make sure that this is an emergency that you can live through and that you can make sure that you're taken care of.
And as we said, this is only the first round of these debt cancellations. The state legislature allocated $6.5 million total in ARPA funding, so they anticipate being able to eliminate much more debt in the future. Sarah, Brent.